Go to puppet store in some place. Retarded kids on the block. Griffin, Colin, Joey's watching some porn. Turn it on.
Hi.
The puppet store.
ThePuppetStore.com. No.
Joey, you just ruined it.
I play the beat and play the song. No,
Do you have Hitler puppets?
We appreciate your patience.
Yeah, thanks.
Continue to stay on the line.
Thanks.
Detroit. We live in the D.
Good afternoon, can I help you?
Hello, where are you located?
New York?
Okay, what kind of puppets do you sell? Do you sell hand puppets?
Yes, we do.
Okay, what else puppets do you sell?
Just hand puppets.
Oh, really? Well, one of my friend's son really likes, well, it's kind of embarrassing, but he really likes Hitler, the puppet. So do you have any Hitler puppets?
No, we don't. Do you have anything better to do?
Yeah.
Okay, well, please don't call here. Thank you.
Oh.
Do you?